Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Daddy Question. And today I'm going to run through what happens if your friend takes your calculator the night before exams. We are going to do 1-digit times tables all the way to 3-digit 99 times tables. So we're going to master 722 multiplied by 99. They're a bit difficult, but after a bit of practice, we'll be able to master it. Alright, so let's start with simple 1-digit numbers. So let's start with 3 multiplied by 99. Well, actually, this is very easy. We get, for the 100th digit, right, we get this number, but minus 1. So this will be 2. And for the 10th digit, it's going to be 9. Always, for 1-digit numbers, if this number is 1 digit, this must be 9. And then for the units, it's going to be 100 minus this number. So in this case, 100 minus 3 is going to, 10. So 10 minus 3 is going to be 7, right? So 7 is going to be in the units digit. So there we go. Let's do another example. Let's do 7 multiplied by 99. A little bit more difficult, but using our method, not so much. Alright, so hundreds, it's going to be this number minus 1, so that's going to be 6. And then for the 10th digit, remember, since this digit is only a 1-digit number, the 10th digit is always 9. And for the units, it's going to be 10 minus this number. So this number is very important. It's going to be 3. 693. There we go. Very easy, as you can see. Now what we're going to do is 2-digit numbers, which is definitely harder, but not so much so in the sense of computation. Just an extra digit at the end, which gives a bit of complications. So let's start with 13 multiplied by 99. What we start off is, again, we get this number and you put it into our final answer. Well, obviously we still do the minus 1 rule like we had before, but this time this 1 is going to be in the thousands digit. That's the thousands. And this is the hundreds. And then for the tens and the ones, it's going to be 100 minus this number. So 100 minus 13 is going to give you the result for the tens and the units. So this is going to be 87. So you just slot 87 into the tens and the units, and you get your answer here, 1287. Let's do another example. Let's do a bigger number this time. So 87 multiplied by 99. We use our rule. For the thousands and hundreds digit, we get this minus 1, so this is 86. And then for the tens and units, we get 100 minus 87, which we derive from that, and this will be 13. And we slot that in. This is our answer. 87 multiplied by 99 gives us 8,613. Alright, now last of all, 3-digit numbers. Now they're a bit of a pain, but I think we should be able to manage. Right, let's start off with a small one. So 123, for example, multiplied by 99. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit harder than the 2-digit numbers. Alright, so this is the tens of thousands, hundreds, tens, and units, digits, columns. So what we're going to do is, for these three, we're going to use this number. We're going to minus 1, but we're also going to minus the 100th digit here, which is 1. So that's minus 2 in total. That's 121. What we do for the tens and units is we get this number and we take that number away from 100, like we did for the 2-digit numbers. So that answer will be 77. And here we go. Not too difficult, as you can see. 123 multiplied by 99 gives you 12,177. Alright, so let's go with a harder example. A harder example now. Let's say 852 multiplied by 99. Well, this is the same. if we just use the same process as outlined before, it won't be too hard. And what we do is we slot this number into these 3 positions. And as you can see here, we -1, but we -8 as well. So let's just do that. So that will be -9 in total, which will be 843. And all we do for the 10th and units column is we get 52 and subtract that from 100. We have 100, subtract 52, and the answer to that will be 48. So there we go. Pretty easy, right? 852 multiplied by 99, which many people may think it's such a chunky number, so difficult to get the times table right. But hey, you know, here you go, here's the trick. Alright, I'm gonna give everyone a bonus trick. Thanks for watching this far in the video, and if you have any suggestions, make sure to write down in the comments what you think I could do to improve this channel. Alright, so for the bonus trick, it only really works for 1-digit numbers. Alright, here's the bonus trick that you can use to dazzle your opponent. Alright, so 4 times 99. Before we had to use many different operations, but this time we only need to use one, multiplication. And it's not that difficult. In fact, if you know your 9 times tables, it'll be pretty easy. Let's get into it. So the hundreds, 10th, and units column. We're gonna leave the hundreds for now and move on to the 10th. The 10th is gonna be 9. So you can just automatically slot a 9 in there, easy peasy, no calculations. If you want, you can pretend this 9 goes in there and cross this 9 out. So what's left? 4 times 9. So what do? 4 times 9, 36. Boom. Let's do it again. Let's do 9 times 99. Alright, so the 10th is going to be 9, the 100th is going to be 8, and the units are going to be 1, because, well, this 9 goes there, cross that out, 9 and 9, right, that's 81, which you can see is 81 here. So yeah, there we go. A little bonus trick that you can try in your math test. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. This is Daddy Question. I hope you enjoy. If you have any suggestions, post them in the comments. Anyways, thanks guys. See you later.